वैभव
हॅलो, आवाज येतोय सर?
हा येतोय. अरे मी त्याच्यावरून जॉईन झालो. माझ्याला नेटवर्कच घेत नाही. पण ते मला वाटत नाही मी पूर्ण वेळ थांबेल नाही थांबेल. येतं जातंय सारखं.
नाही, काय हरकत नाही सर.
बरं, मॅडम आल्या का? जॉईन झाले आपले आजचे स्पीकर?
नाही, अजून आत्ताशी फक्त आपण मनीषा मॅम आहेत, उर्मिल मॅम आहेत आणि चौगुले सर आहेत.
अरे 11ला सुरू करायची आपल्याला आज, बरोबर आज 11ला सुरू करून देऊया आपण.
येस, 10:52 झालेत, अजून 8 मिनिटं.
उशीर मॅडम. हॅलो, उशीर मॅडम.
हो सर.
हा बरं, तुम्ही इंट्रोड्यूस करा, मॅडमचा परिचय करा, आजचे जे गेस्ट आहे त्यांचा. हा
ओके ओके.
आता जेमते म्हणजे मी मिसेसच्या मोबाईलवरून आता जॉईन माझं तर घेतच नाही. वैभव तुला ऍडमिट दिसतोय का? मी परत योगेश सोनवणे.
हो साहेब, हो साहेब.
हॅलो. हा वैभव.
येस सर. मॅम आजचे आपले गेस्ट जॉईन झालेले आहेत उर्मिला मॅम. उर्मिला मॅम,
वी कॅन स्टार्ट.
कॅन वी गिव्ह आय थिंक सो वी शुड स्टार्ट ॲट 11 AM.
व्हॉट
एक
इज
मेसेज टाकून देतो आपल्या ग्रुपला, म्हणजे जेणेकरून आपण बाकीचे मेंबर्स पण जॉईन होतील. एक आपण 2 मिनिट फक्त तोर मॅम
Yes.
इंट्रोडक्शन देतील वगैरे.
हो हो चालेल ना.
उर्मिला मॅम.
प्रदीप सर नाही का अजून?
उर्मिला मॅम, आवाज येत नाही आपला.
हो सर, येतोय आवाज येतोय. सर इंट्रोडक्शन ला सुरुवात करायची की थोडं थांबायचं?
थांबा, 1-2 मिनिट थांबू.
हो सर.
वैभव. हॅलो वैभव. हॅलो.
Good morning, Yogesh sir.
Good
May I
mo-
check my PPT?
येस मॅम, येस.
Okay. Yes. Can you see my
Yes, it is.
PPT?
Yes, it is visible.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you. I'm very sorry to say, welcome, Pawan ma'am. I was today so network problem,
No issue.
so I joined late. But within 1 and 2 minutes we can start.
Okay, sure, sir. No issue.
हॅलो वैभव.
येस सर.
मी ना 2 ठिकाणून जॉईन झालोय बरं. म्हणजे एकीकडे प्रॉब्लेम आला की मेसेजचा मोबाईल पण मी ओपन करून ठेवलाय.
मी आपला आता एक व्हॉल्यूम मी म्यूट केलाय.
उर्मिला मॅमला पण हे करून ठेव, वैभव होस्ट करून ठेव.
ओके. आपला हळूहळू मेंबर्स जॉईन होत आहेत. उर्मिला मॅम, मी रिक्वेस्ट करेल उर्मिला मॅम यांना. मॅम, आपण इंट्रोडक्टरी जर सुरू केलं तर मॅम, उर्मिला मॅम.
नक्की सर, थँक्यू. आजच्या आपल्या स्पीकर आहेत मिस पवन दुबे. वेलकम मॅम.
Thank you, ma'am.
मॅडम कम्प्युटर सायन्स ॲट इंटरनॅशनल पब्लिक स्कूल भोपाळ येथे कार्यरत आहेत आणि त्या CIET NCERTच्या रिसोर्स पर्सन आहेत. मॅडम MIE एक्सपर्ट आहेत, तसेच ॲडोब सर्टिफाईड एज्युकेटर अँड नियर पॉड सर्टिफाईड एज्युकेटर त्या आहेत. मॅडम ग्लोबल टीचर्स अवॉर्डी सुद्धा आहेत आणि आजच्या मॅडमचा विषय आहे लेट्स डू सम क्रिएटिव्हिटी इन बुन्सी ॲप. तर मॅडमला मी विनंती करेल की मॅडमने आजचं सत्र सुरू करावं. त्यापूर्वी मी सोनवणे साहेबांना विनंती करते की त्यांनी थोडंसं आपल्या कार्यक्रमाचं आजच्या प्रास्ताविक करावं.
ऍक्च्युली
So-
सोनोने साहेब आपल्यासोबत नेटवर्क इश्यूमुळे पुन्हा पुन्हा जॉईन होतात. मॅम, इज इट कम्फर्टेबल टू टॉक इन मराठी? कॅन यू अंडरस्टँड मराठी लँग्वेज? पवन मॅम, ऍक्च्युली मॅम म्यूट माइक्स.
वैभव सर,
येस
वैभव सर,
येस
वैभव सर,
येस सर, येस सर.
can I introduce her?
Yes, sure, sure. But I
Okay.
want to just one thing, ma'am. Can you understand the Marathi language? No, okay, okay, okay. हिंदी तो आप बहुत अच्छी तरह से अच्छी. मैम, आप अनम्यूट करेंगे तो बहुत अच्छा होगा. आपका माइक म्यूट है. पवन मैम.
Sir, I can't understand and speak Marathi, but I can speak English and Hindi only. So sorry for it. But
Sure,
little
sure.
bit I can understand whatever you are
Okay.
saying,
नहीं
ma'am.
नहीं,
That I
कोई बात
understand.
नहीं मैम, कोई दिक्कत नहीं. हम हिंदी में आपसे बात कर लेंगे, कोई इशू नहीं इसके
Please,
बारे
sir.
में.
That is
मैं
perfect.
यस यस, मैं प्रदीप सर को इनवाइट करूंगा कि उर्मिला मैम ने तो उनको इंट्रोड्यूस कर दिया है, लेकिन प्रदीप सर भी मैम से बहुत सारे कनेक्टेड है बहुत दिनों से एमआई के थ्रू से. तो मैं प्रदीप सर से कहूंगा, प्रदीप देवरे सर, कैन यू इंट्रोड्यूस टू मैम एंड देन वी स्टार्ट आवर सेशन.
Yes,
Pradeep, sir.
yes. Thank you. First of all, welcome Pawan ji
Thank
in
you
our
so much, sir.
ICT initiation.
मेरे ख्याल से प्रदीप सर आपकी आवाज अच्छी तरह से आ नहीं रही है हमारे पास. प्रदीप सर, माइक म्यूट भी है आपका. सॉरी, मेरे ख्याल से मैं बाकी को म्यूट करते करते आपको म्यूट कर दिया.
हाँ, आता
आपका कॅमेरा अगर बंद कर देंगे तो अच्छा होगा.
अनम्यूट केलेलं नव्हतं मी. अनम्यूट केलेलं नव्हतं मी. म्यूट केलेलं होतं मला. आता येतोय आवाज?
सर, आवाज खूप ब्लर होतोय. व्हिडिओ बंद कराल तर आपला आवाज क्लिअर येईल, कारण आपली बँडविड्थ खूप लो दाखवते.
येतोय आवाज? येतोय आवाज?
हो, इट इज बेटर.
आवाज
हो,
आवाज येतोय?
येस येस येस.
Okay. Welcome Pawanji, this IC initiation by the District Institute of Education and Training, Nashik, and have been all these initiations since last 17. This is IC's 80. You are going to Bansi on this platform, and it is very nice initiation to bridge the digital divide because of this new normal pandemic situation. So Pawanji is working as a computer science teacher in Bhopal, one of the in public school, and she is a well speaker as well as well educated ICT trainer. She is ambassador of Nearpod and Vaclate and
मला अंदाजे प्रदीप सरांचा आवाज आपल्यापर्यंत येत नाहीये. ओके प्रदीप सर, थँक्यू फॉर इंट्रोडक्शन. प्रदीप सर, आपला आवाज खूप आमच्यापर्यंत ब्लर येतोय, आम्हाला आवाजच प्रॉपर येतो.
एक मिनिट. आता येतोय आवाज? हॅलो,
थोडासा ब्लरच म्हणजे
हॅलो, आवाज येतोय सर आता?
ओके, नाव गुड.
आता येतोय? आता येतोय? आवाज येतोय माझा?
आता येतोय सर, पण मधनं
ओके. बर. तो पवन जी, आपका इस प्लेटफॉर्म पे स्वागत है. अब आप अपना, मैं वैभव सर से विनती करूंगा कि आप पवन जी से कहिए कि वो अपना सेशन चालू कर दी.
ओके, टुडे आज उर्मिला मैम सबको कोऑर्डिनेट करने वाले हैं इस सेशन के लिए. मैम को मैं रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा कि प्लीज कोऑर्डिनेट विद पवन मैम, एंड माय रिक्वेस्ट फ्रॉम द डायट एंड जिला परिषद नाशिक. पवन मैम, प्लीज कैरी ऑन आवर सेशन. पवन मैम. मैम, आपका माइक म्यूट हो गया है.
Good morning to all. and namaskar from my side on all the dignitaries on this virtual platform. Vaibhav sir and Pradeep sir, I just would like to know about from your side. I have to go in Hindi or in English, whatever comfortable language is there, because whenever we are coming on this virtual platform na, or for the training purpose, there should be one thing we have to keep in our mind. We have to just connect with the language only. And I am very poor in Marathi. I don't know not a single word. I can't speak in Marathi. So if it is possible, please suggest me which language is comfortable for you people. So I will just switch to that language.
English is
मैम
good. English
हिंदी
is
भी
good, but
हिंदी और
आप
इंग्लिश
हिंदी में
दोनों
बोलिए.
कंफर्टेबल है.
Okay, thank you
हिंदी
so
में
much,
बोलिए.
sir.
कंफर्टेबल है.
Thank you.
Yes, yes.
So whenever we are talking about this pandemic, and we always need ki okay, these all are coming in the negative sense, but I feel ki if you will see this pandemic as a positive sense, so you will definitely you will learn something new. And each believe me, educator, all the educator who has joined us, please ask yourself, we have learned so many good things in this pandemic. So we have to just think this pandemic, we have to take this pandemic as a positive manner. So today, my topic is Bansi. Bansi is just like a, if you will see, and I am going to explain you now, so you will feel ki, okay, this Bansi is just like a PowerPoint, but the same time, you feel ki no, Bansi is different from PowerPoint. So here I'm going to just share my screen. Yes, Pradeep sir, can you see my screen?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So educator, what is Bansi? The first thing is Bansi, and when we will talk about any platform, the teacher, the first question is coming in our mind. That is, is it free for the teachers? So yes, educator, this is free for education and free for educators. Using this Bansi, we can just create a powerful tool which is going to attract your student attraction in the class. See, nowadays we all are taking this class on virtual platform. So something new we have to give to our student. Then only they will just catch you and they will attentive for your class. Okay, so same time if you are doing okay, I will just show the video that would be easy for my student. No, you have to use different teaching aid, then only your student is going to be attracted for your class, they will wait for your class, right? So Bansi is one of the great tool, interacting tool which is presenting in the multimedia. And the best benefit of this Bansi is it is going to give you the tool where no need to switch to the Google again and again to search something or for insert any picture. Okay, and one more important thing, Bansi is the browser based. What is the meaning of browser based? That means that there is no app for Bansi till date, but soon the use is going to increase of Bansi. Soon they are going to introduce app also, but Bansi is browser based. Whatever browser you are using, like Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, your Opera, Internet Explorer, whatever, there you have to just type one URL, that is https app.edu.bansi.com. This is the URL for Bansi. आप कैसे करते हो बंसी ओपन? आपको कोई भी एप्लीकेशन को ओपन करना है तो यू हैव टू जस्ट स्विच टू दी बंसी फॉर द गूगल क्रोम, Mozilla Firefox, Opera, whatever browser you are using. So this is the URL. You can just note down somewhere, or this PPT I'm going to share with Pradeep sir also. He will be able to upload on your site. Now, when you will click on this on the Google, it is taking you on this platform. The moment you will just type this URL in your Google Chrome, you will just land on this page. This is the front page of Bansi, and here you can just see my mouse cursor. Here is the sign up option. Now I will just switch my window to the open Bansi site, and then you can see how this Bansi is going to open. So the moment you are going to click on Bansi, like here again, I'm going to do I have just typed this bunsey.com, and then the same time it is going to ask you for login or sign up. So here I'm just going to do sign up. When you will click on the sign up, it is going to ask you, this is a 30-day, because this is free trial version, so it will be activated for 30 days, and after 30 days also you can just upgrade your Bunsey ID. Okay, so it will just come on your screen, and then just click on the get started for free. The moment you are going to click on get started for free, this window will come on your screen. Now, if you will see on the first screen, sign up with email. Vaibhav sir, are you able to see my screen? Whatever I am saying, the same screen is coming?
Yes, ma'am. Sound is audible and we can see your PPTs.
Okay, thank you so much, sir.
वैभव सर थोडं स्पीड जास्त होतं असं सांगा ना मॅडमला.
मैम पार्टिसिपेंट से एक रिक्वेस्ट आ रही है कि हम थोड़े मतलब अभी शुरुआत है सर, थोड़ा सा बंसी ऐप के बारे में अगर थोड़ी जानकारी मिल जाती कि वो क्या क्या कर रहे हैं, मतलब उसके अंदर क्या क्या हो सकता है, तो लिटिल बट गो स्लोली ऐसे मैसेज आ रहे हैं थोड़ा सा.
Okay, fine. What are the things you can use, you can do with the Bunsey that you want to know?
एक्चुअली बंसी ये हमारे लिए पूरे मतलब मेरे ख्याल से सबको नया है.
Ma'am. Bunsey
Yes,
is
sir.
a very new platform for all of us. So please tell why we use Bunsey.
Correct, sir. The moment
Yeah.
I will land on that page there, then you definitely you will know why we are using this Bunsey. Like already I have explained, Bunsey is the tool where you can upload your content, you can create your presentation. I think you all are aware about the PPT. Nowadays, for it is just coming in your bag for the teaching ed, as a teaching ed. So PPT you are using to just show or just involve your children to participate in your classroom. So in the same manner, this Bunsey is also providing you the platform to present your views and ideas in front of the learner, right? So only difference between the PPT and the Bunsey is the online platform. It is going to give you the vast range of tools. The second thing is it is going to give you all the animation tool also. So whenever you want to, suppose you are going to take one topic like photosynthesis. Okay, the science teacher is going to take a photosynthesis chapter for their children, and how she can present with the animated videos, with the animated picture in this platform. So the thing is that Bunsey is a tool where you can use this tool to present your views and ideas in front of the children, in front of your viewer, in front of your colleague also. So this is all about the Bunsey. When I will take you on the hands-on experience session, then only definitely you will get to know, okay, because you all are master in your subject. You know better than me how I can use this Bunsey for my subject, right? So here I have just explained you how you can open this Bunsey, and the next step is how you can log in with this Bunsey. So I have just typed this URL in the address bar, and then here these are the option. If you have already created Bunsey ID, it is no issue, you can go with that. But still, if you have not created your Bunsey ID, so no issue, again and again creating so many mail ID, remembering their password is too difficult in this era. But do one thing, here is the option. I think everyone is using nowadays Microsoft ID. You can use that Microsoft ID also for login on Bunsey. You can use continue with Google. I think Gmail account, we all have Gmail accounts. So I suggest you just go with this ID, that is a continue with Google. So when you will click on Google, you will see on my screen, these are the IDs available with Gmail account. So I can go with any one account from here. Now, I'm just switching to the open one ID. when I will click on my Gmail account, I will just land on my page. This is the Buncee page. This is the platform for Buncee. When you will log in with your Gmail account, you will land on this page. This is the Buncee page, and here your work will start. So this is the platform where we are going to work. Now again, I know you all are thinking ki if the PPT is there, then what is the use of this Buncee? So if you will see here, always whenever we are creating any PPT or we are going to do something with this PowerPoint presentation, again and again we have to switch on the Google to search picture, to search any URL. सो स्विचिंग ऑन दी डिफरेंट मोड, आप बार बार दूसरे मोड पे स्विच करते हो. आपका गूगल, आपने अपनी पीपीटी ओपन करी, उसके बाद आपको लगता है कि मुझे ये इमेज सर्च करना है, तो आई हैव टू जस्ट गो टू दी गूगल क्रोम. सो देयर इज द प्रॉब्लम अगेन स्विचिंग टू दी पर्सन. For the IT teacher, we will see okay, this would be easy for them, but the teacher nowadays who are 40-50 plus teachers are there, and again if you will ask them कि आप switch करो किसी और window पे, it is difficult for them. So we have to make our work easy. That is why I use this Buncee platform to present my views and ideas in front of you all. So this is the Buncee platform. How you are going to start with this Buncee? You can see at the left hand side, this create a Buncee, one plus sign is coming, and remember educator, whenever you will see this plus sign, that means कि something you can add there. Any browser, wherever you will see this sign, okay, this sign is there, that means you can add something. So I'm just going to click on create a new Buncee. When you will click on create a new Buncee, one new window will appear on your screen. You can see here, this is the screen where you can create your presentation, your teachers ideas, whatever coming in your mind, that you can create here. So first of all, I just want to show you, these are at the left hand side, you can see so many examples are there for the department wise कि आप which department you want, like something if we will just get the idea कि हमें एक invitation card बनाना है, we are just going to conduct one English के लिए you are going to conduct one ASL. If the English teacher are here, they knows ki one subject enrichment activity is their ASL. So if you would like to invite your children for the ASL activity and you want to create one invitation card for your student, so here is the idea. You can get the idea from these type of templates. So if the template is there, you can easily modify that template. So if I will take art and music teacher is there, so you can see for the art and music what type of background you needed, you can just select from here. See, these are the templates. Any template you can select from this template box, and this is the free version. That is why we are getting few features in this Buncee. Now I will not select, I'm not going to select any template from here. I prefer to go with the start from scratch. What is the scratch? That means something new is coming in my mind. I just want to create my new innovation in this Buncee. So I'm going to click on start from scratch. The moment you are going to click on start with scratch, you can see on my screen these three pictures are coming. Now here I am going to start with, click here to select a template. I don't want to select any template. Click here to change background. Here from here I just want to select any background for my PPT, or we can say for my lesson plan. So this is the area where you can select any template. Those who are working with PPT, they know how we can set the background of my PPT. In the same manner, in this platform, this Bunsey platform also, you can select any background. Choice is yours. Whatever material you want to create from here, according to that, you can select any background. So I feel that this background is good for my subject. So I'm just selecting this one. When you will select any background, it is going to ask you add to this page or all page. So I am going to select this page. You can go with the all pages also if you want to just change the appearance in all the pages should be same. So then you can go for the all pages. But the same time, you can click on this page and your background is going to be changed. So this is my background. Now, this is all about how you can set the background in your PPT. You can add more and more, whatever requirement is there. Now, according to that, you can set the background PPT or pages in this slide. Now, after that, you are going to just click on this plus sign. It is available on the right hand side. Just click it here. This is the beauty of Bunsey. We are talking about why I am switching to the PPT to Bunsey. This is the beauty. These 18 tools are going to make you fan of this Bunsey. Definitely, educator, when the more you will use this Bunsey tool, now you feel ki, this is the tool where I can just do all the creativity. Like CBSE keep on asking for the art integration. So when you are going to use this Bunsey, now you will definitely involve your children here. So I have just set one background for my PPT, and after that I just want to type the text here. So this is the tool which I can use to type the text. When you will click on this text tool, you can type here. You can adjust whatever sentence, whatever word you have typed here, that you can use. You can move the text. It's just like a word. If you will see at the bottom area, all the tools which is available on Word file, MS Word, all the tool you can see at the bottom, right?
हेलो पवन मैम.
Yes, ma'am.
मैम थोड़ा धीरे धीरे ले लीजिए, क्योंकि बाकी का लोगों का कहना है कि हम थोड़ा फास्ट हो रहा है, थोड़ा जल्दी जल्दी हो रही है.
Okay, so shall I just revise the first step? Do you want that?
नो, इससे आगे थोड़ा धीरे लीजिए इसे.
Okay.
Please rewind, madam.
Please rewind it from first, please.
It's not
Pawanji,
clear. Pardon, I'm not
Pawanji,
getting
can
your point.
can
Yes,
I hear
sir.
me?
Yes, sir.
Pawanji,
Yes,
can
sir.
I hear
Pradeep,
me?
sir, I can hear you. Yes, sir.
Yes. Yes, okay. Just after finishing one tool or one point, just ask the participants, did you get it?
Okay, fine.
Yeah.
Sure, sir. Okay, so I'm just going to revise the first step. I have just logged in with this Bunsey ID with the help of my Gmail account. And after that, I have just opened one Bunsey platform where I can just add one Bunsey page. And then I have just added one picture for my background. And now I'm just going to insert text here. Okay, so this is the toolbox where you can use to just modify your presentation, and according to your choice, according to your need, you can add the text here. So suppose here I'm just going to type one text, that is STEM. Okay, I have just typed one text here, and according to your subject, according to your requirement, you are going to use the text, and you can adjust that text in your slide, right? After that, again, you need to just see I want to change the shape also, or I want to insert the shape. So this is the toolbox of Buncee. It is available at the right hand side is this area, this plus sign, right? And then you are going to select one. I have select text tool because whenever you are going to make your presentation, you will use this text tool to type your heading, type content in your presentation. Then the second tool is shape tool. जब हम छोटे बच्चों को पढ़ाते हैं उस समय if you needed to just show them the different type of shape, so that shape you can use from here. The moment you are going to click on shape tool, you will see these toolbox will available on your screen and you can select any shape from here. Like right now, I just going to select circle, and even you can select the multiple shape from here. I think you all are thinking ki at a time only one shape we can select. No, you, you can select multiple picture, multiple shape from this toolbox. So here I'm just going to select 3 pictures and that is added on my slide. So this is the slide where I am working. So you can see educator. Now you can adjust according to your requirement. Any picture can move to any of the area and you can adjust according to your presentation requirement. So this is the shape tool which I have just shown you. I have already explained text tool, shape tool. Now come to the drawing tool. So when you will click on drawing tool, I am very bad in drawing. So whosoever is good in drawing, they can definitely use this tool in very effective manner. Like whatever you want to draw, it's up to you how you are going to draw in your slide. Even you can participate, ask your children to just do the drawing with you all. So this is the drawing tool which we can use, and those who are using digital pad, like nowadays a mathematics teacher, I think whosoever, if the any mathematics teacher, if you are taking this online class, so for you people, if you are using digital pad, so they can you draw any shape very easily with this drawing tool. Now we will come to the next tool. This is the Buncee 3D. Now, whenever you will just insert any picture with a 3D effect, no doubt children will like it. If the kindergarten teachers are joined us, so definitely you know better than us, children are very much attracted toward these type of picture. So these are the 3D images. You can select from here, and if according to your subject you need to select any picture from here, so I feel you just type the stamp and click on the enter button. You can search if any picture is uploaded or according to your topic. Like if I would like to go for the fish, I can just move to the already fish picture is here, so I can select from here. These are the pictures which are available on these 3D tool. Even mathematics teachers, they can use these shape to teach your children for the 3D effect picture. These are the 3D pictures which you are going to add. So suppose I'm going to just add this picture in my slide. Now already I have explained you, it is up to you where you want to just move that, this picture on your slide. This is the 3D picture. You can select any 3D picture from Buncee toolbox. Now I have completed with the 4 tools. Now I'm switching to the 5th tool, that is the Buncee animation. When you will click on this Buncee animation, you will see these type of animated picture are available, which you can select from here. Due to internet, I think it is not coming in the proper manner. Otherwise, you can select from this toolbox only. So I'm going to just select one picture, this one, add one. So this is the animated picture, like your blooming birds, if you're taking the class 1 or 2, so definitely they will like this type of animated picture in your Bunsey presentation. Next is Bunsey sticker. Suppose any child did something good and you want to just show them ki you did very good and your work is really appreciable. So you can select any sticker from this toolbox, that is the Bunsey sticker. This is the Bunsey sticker you can use for your children to appreciate them, to just motivate them. Now, uh, one more thing, educator. This is the toolbox. Now, the whole Bunsey is depending on this toolbox only, which I am showing you. These 18 tools only is going to help you to create presentation in the Bunsey. Now, the next is Bunsey message. If you want to put any message for your student, for your colleague, you can use from here, like all the festivals, notebook, whatever attractive manner. Suppose for this picture, I know it's coming in your mind ki, ma'am, this picture so I can easily select from Google also. So what is the need for Bunsey? My dear educator, selecting this picture from the Google, it will take you more time, and you have to just switch to that mode, then only you are getting. But here you are going to create Bunsey in the one platform, and all the material is available then and there only. So it is going to save your time. So I'm just going to select this sticker, creativity. You can adjust this one also. Now, the next is emojis. This is the era where most of the, even us, if we will take the example of our, definitely we always feel ki, okay, one reaction, one emoji is enough to share or show my whatever I want to say. It is enough for with the one emoji. So this is the world of emoji. So definitely you will like to use these emojis also. These are the emojis available in Bunsey. You can use it to just make your presentation attractive and just catching the attraction of your children. So here I'm just going to select this one and add. Whenever you will select now, educator, just select and then click on add one button. So here you can see this animation in my presentation. Now we are coming to the web images. Web images, suppose you are not getting any image here in this platform, so you can easily select, you can just click here and just search any item from web. It is going to directly connect with the your Google. No need to search on the Google. Only here you are going to type, and the related picture, related image you will get from here. Now, the next is 360 images. 360 images, import URL. These tools are not available right now on my ID, but definitely because I have used many a time, I have to upgrade my ID. That is why. Otherwise, when you will create your new ID in Educator, these ID are very much activated on your site. Now this is a YouTube channel. Suppose you have seen any picture or video that is suitable to explain your chapter to your student, you can just type here, and that URL you can copy in your slide. So the second is the upload. Suppose you have created any picture or file that is, you feel ki, okay, that should be uploaded on my Bunsey platform. That also possible. Just upload from here. जैसे हम अपनी कोई भी फाइल इमेज through this mail we are sending na, in the same manner you can upload file here itself. आपने already कोई PPT बना के रखी है, now you want to see that PPT in this Buncee platform, that also possible. So you need to just click on that area and upload. That's it. Nothing extra you have to do to upload this image. Now the next tool is
Pawan ma'am, I have one question.
yes, ma'am.
So actually, I'm a teacher, and when I make PPTs, we have to use the school logos. That is
Yes.
compulsory.
Yes.
And those logos are means those are permanent in the slides. So then how do we change the background and how do we put
yes,
all
ma'am.
other features in that?
Very right question, ma'am. Suppose you have created one page with your logo. So you can see here upload option is available. Okay. So you have created one image. You can see at the this side, left hand side, upload my image, my document, my videos. Whatever you have created already, that is the compulsory. Like a school logo is an important part for any presentation because you people are going to upload that on the website or your ERP system also. So you can select from here, ma'am. You can upload that picture from these era where I have just shown you na ki suppose you have already uploaded that picture, saved that picture in your desktop or in your laptop. Just search that file and upload that picture from here. And then you are uploading on the this mail and all that na, in the same manner you can upload from here also.
No, ma'am. My question is, if we upload the logo slide, how do we change the background? Because the problem that I face usually is in Microsoft Office, when I upload my PPT and I try to change any background or anything, the logo disappears. So if you can show us by uploading any sample logo slide and by changing the background or
okay.
you know.
Ma'am, see, suppose you have created one presentation, like if I will just take you in the new page. From here, click here to select a template. Don't go there if you want to just see your school logo in that slide. Click here to change background or click here to add your first item. If I am going to select on, click here to change image. So first of all, you have to just create one logo, which is your school logo, and you can just upload it from here. Suppose I have just created this one, and now I'm just going to select this one. Only this page. Now, after that, you feel ki I have to upload my image as well. So here you will see one upload option is available. Just open this one, upload. If I have my school logo, definitely I will show you. Otherwise, any image is there that I'm going to show. Your image should be in the JPG format. So definitely you can easily upload. Right now, I'm not finding any image in my laptop. Wait a minute. Yes, if I will take this PNG. Suppose this is the image for my school and I have to upload it. So it will take time, but due to internet only, I'm not able to upload in the, yes, now you can see here, this is the image of my school. Okay, suppose this is this logo for my school. I have just selected this one, and then I can move and set this background for all my slides, right? You can upload your image itself. Like this is the image. Suppose this is your school logo. You can just select here and upload on your slide, right? So no need
Oh.
to change again and again. You can, but the thing is that, ma'am, I think you have saved your school image on your desktop.
No, no, already the like the PPT, I have made one template where the logos are there. But when I
Do one
keep
thing,
on,
ma'am. This image, na, this school logo is going to help you for your invitation card if you are making any flyer or any brochure for any school event, na. So just that image should be in the JPG format. Do you know how to convert this image? Your school logo is very important. If you are creating your question paper, there also you are putting this school logo, na. So if you will make one JPG, school logo in the JPG format, it
ma'am,
is
it
going to
is in
help you for all.
JPG. Yes, ma'am, it is
JPG.
in JPG format.
Yes. So
Uh,
you can use anywhere, ma'am, then.
no, my the sorry to say, but the main query was, suppose here, ma'am, you have pasted the logo on the slides, right?
Yes, yes.
Now, if I want to paste, suppose any particular picture on this,
Yes.
so it will cover the logo. The logo disappears
No,
then.
ma'am. It will not cover. You have to just resize your picture, na. Like I have just uploaded, suppose this is the image of my school logo, right? Now I am going to upload one picture. You are asking ki, okay, Pavan ma'am, if I am just uploading any picture, so that is going to hide my logo. No, see, like this way you can just resize here. Suppose this is the picture, so I can enlarge the size of this picture, and I can reduce the size of this picture also. Okay.
Okay, thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Okay. So we have just seen these are the tools are available on this Buncee platform. Now the next step is how you are going to share with your children. We have made one Buncee presentation here, and after that we feel ki then to I have to just download as a PPT, or I have to share with my student. This is the next step. First, in the first stage, we have seen how we can log in with this Buncee platform. What are the tools available on this Buncee platform? And the time is how we can share this Buncee presentation with my student, with my colleague. So here you can see on the top, one is preview and the second is share button. Whatever you have already created, you can, here is the option available. You can see the preview. The second thing is you can share this item with your friend. So here I'm just going to click on share. When you will click on share, I have not saved this file with any name. So I have to just give the name. After that, I'm going to click on done. I have given file name. Now here you can see these are the options available for sharing. Suppose you have created your material and now you want to ask your friend also to participate. So then you can just click here ki okay, anyone can edit my material, or you can go for specific Buncee user. Only the Buncee user whosoever have this ID on Buncee, they only can see. So I prefer anyone with link. When you will create this link, na, so anyone can open. This is not necessary ki if you are sharing that Buncee tool, so everyone should have downloaded that Buncee in their Google Chrome or their Mozilla Firefox. So just click on anyone with a link. Now the second you can see commentable and copyable. Suppose whatever you are sharing with your friends, do you want to give the right to copy your material, or you want to give the right to comment on your slide? So I can off on, it's up to you कि आप क्या करना चाहते हो. Do you want to give the permission to your friend कि वो आपके Buncee presentation पे comment करें? So it's up to you. This is all about the setting, teachers. Like whenever you are, if you are using the Zoom platform or if you are using the MS Teams platform, there also you are doing the setting now, ki who all are will be the presenter, who all can participate, who all can join my class. In the same manner, in this Bansi also, you can do the settings. Now, here is the code. The second option is the code. Code means they are going to generate this link. Suppose I'm going to copy this link and I'm going to share with Pradeep sir. So that means Pradeep sir can see my presentation. Okay. Am I clear on this point? What is this code? Any one of you, if you have any doubt on this code or setting, you can ask your query, or I can just finish it out and then we will take the query. Vaibhav sir, do you want to?
कुणाला काही शंका असेल तर विचारा कृपया.
Ma'am, how to
हॅलो, कुणाला शंका
record
असेल
the
तर
voice
विचारा
of
कृपया.
us? Ma'am, how to record the voice of us?
Yes, beta.
How to record the voice of us?
वैभव sir.
How we can record our
He
voice?
is
that-
asking, Pawanji, he is asking how can we include our voice?
Okay, how we can
Hello?
record our voice? That
Am I
also I'm
audible?
going to show you. Yes, sir, you are audible. I'm getting you. After finishing this sharing now, I will just show you how we can record our voice in this Bansi. So the next is share with Bansi user. It's up to you. How you would like to go for sharing your material, share to board, email, social, and download. I know as an educator, you feel whatever you have created, either you can go with this copy link or you just do the download. Suppose if I am clicking on download, it is going to ask me in which format you want to download. So I'm going to download in PDF. It is also possible. I can just create, suppose you have created an image, or it should be go in the PNG format or JPG format. So that also possible in this Bansi. So this is the Bansi platform. It is going to give you the rights to download your thing, whatever you have created here. It will convert in PDF. That also you can download. You can convert in JPG and PNG also. Like this way, you can share your material with your friends. May I ask the name of the child who is asking me how we can record our voice on this Bansi platform? May I know?
रेकॉर्डिंगचा प्रश्न कोणी विचारला त्या मुलाचं नाव सांगा. रेकॉर्डिंगचा प्रश्न ज्याने विचारला त्याने नाव सांगा.
Mayuresh
Yeah.
Chaukule.
Okay.
मयुरेश.
Yes, you can see here right now, as I already explained you, I have already created 10 things on this Bansi. That is why I have to just delete, then only these ID will be activated. So you can see the record video. You can record video from here itself. Like I think Pradeep sir knows very well, Flipgrid is one of the tool where we are just recording our responses. So in the same manner, you can record your video for your student and upload it here itself. This is the option record video. You can see, and one more very important thing, educator, when you will open, or if somebody is just using right now, created their Bansi ID and log in with their Bansi ID, you can see when you will do the hands-on experience now, then only you will get to know how we can use these tools for my chapter or for my lesson plan, right? So all the tools are available anytime, whenever you feel Pawan ma'am, I just stuck here. Just take my number from Pradeep sir. You can contact me anytime. You can text me. I will drop my mail ID as well. In case if you feel Pawan, I just stuck here, just help me out. Anytime you can call me. Anytime you can drop your message. I will help you for the same. And now I'm just going to open window for the all the educators. If you have any doubt or query regarding this Bansi, you can go ahead.
प्रकाश चव्हाण सर.
And my request to you all, just go for the Hindi or English, because I'm not able to understand. Somebody asked me one query in Marathi, but if anybody will help me what she's asking, so definitely I'm happy to share my view on that point.
ओके मॅम, थँक्यू. चव्हाण सर, तुम्हाला काही प्रश्न असतील तर विचारा ना.
हो 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 एक मिनिट.
हो.
Madam, are these images copyright free in the platform of Bansi?
I'm not getting you, sir. Can you please repeat your question?
Are these images in the Bansi app? These images are copyright free?
Sir, can you use?
Can you hear me, ma'am?
मैडम, हम ये जो इमेज इसमें अपलोड करने वाले हैं बंसी ऐप में से, वो जो इमेजेस है वो इमेजेस कॉपीराइट फ्री है क्या?
वो इमेजेस क्या है?
कॉपीराइट फ्री रहते हैं क्या उसमें? क्या
लाइसेंस इशू है क्या उसमें? ये लाइसेंस जो कॉपीराइट्स के जो इश्यूज होते हैं वो है क्या?
No, sir. Like if you are going to use any image there, वो आपकी, क्योंकि आपका स्कूल लोगो है, आप कौन सी इमेजेस डालोगे? आप या तो अपने स्कूल की इमेजेस डालेंगे, या तो आप वहाँ पर आपके मटेरियल से, आपके चैप्टर से रिलेटेड कोई पिक्चर है तो वो डालेंगे. So there is no issue for this type of thing, sir.
Okay, thanks, sir.
And one very important thing, so sorry, I forgot to share that one. I'm just sharing my screen for a 2 minute, wait a minute, and definitely you people will like to see that one. Teachers, if you will see on this Bansi platform, of this Bansi, definitely if you will see, Vaibhav sir, can you see my screen? Just now I have shared my screen.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, you can see on my screen this Idea Lab on the top. One is the create, and before that create button, you can see this Idea Lab. What is this Idea Lab? This Idea Lab is going to give you idea about how you can use this Bansi for your lesson plan. So definitely, if an English teacher are discussing about how we can conduct our subject enrichment activity in my class, so if somebody will give one idea ki, okay, we can go for it, we can just give one write up to our children, और हम कोई voice चला देंगे जिससे बच्चा worksheet करने लगेगा. So definitely this type of idea is going to help you. So in the same manner, if you will see this Idea Lab of Bansi, definitely you will like it. This is the Idea Lab which you can use for the subject enrichment activity. If you are doing all this, if the CBSE school, if all the CBSE teachers are here, so definitely you know ki what is the subject enrichment, and you can use this Idea Lab for your subject, how you can modify your lesson plan. So this is very good tool, and very good articles are here which is going to help you to plan your lesson plan in the effective manner.
मैम, एक सवाल और आ रहा है कि वैशाली मैम कह रहे हैं कि हम इस प्रेजेंटेशन को YouTube पे अपलोड करने के लिए वीडियो में कन्वर्ट कर सकते हैं क्या? और इज इट पॉसिबल टू मेक अ वीडियो ऑन दिस Bansi ऐप?
Okay, your question is, suppose you have created any presentation and that you want to convert in video, right?
Yes,
am I right?
There are two questions. First question is right, and another question is it possible to make a video on Bansi?
Sir, see, for if you are asking कि if I am going to make a lesson plan on adverb or adjective, मैंने कोई अपने बच्चों को मुझे adverb और adjective पढ़ाना है और मैंने Bansi प्लेटफॉर्म यूज किया है, तो क्या ये हम इसको वीडियो में कन्वर्ट कर सकते हैं क्या इस प्रेजेंटेशन को? This is the question, Vaibhav sir.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, so sorry. We can just download all the material in the PDF, but the same time, I think for if you wish to see, one screen recorder is there. If you feel कि मैंने जो presentation बनाया है, मैं अपनी voice डाल के और मेरा presentation अपने आप चलता रहे, तो screen recorder is there for the PPT and all that. You can use that one. But in the Buncee, this feature is not available. But soon, definitely, the use of this Buncee will increase. Now, definitely, they will put this type of features also in Buncee.
Ma'am, please show one PPT made by you in Buncee.
One PPT, sir, just now I have just removed the all the lesson plan because I'm just switching to the next slide. That is why, otherwise I will just share with you all. I think you must have one group with the Pradeep sir. I will share with Pradeep sir, and definitely I will show this PPT how I have created in Buncee.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
Ma'am, one question is there. Like
Yes.
in Nearpod, we share our control is there. The students are doing many things on Nearpod. Do students also, like here also, do we have control on the slides?
Ma'am,
When
see,
students are...
I have just shown you that setting now, ma'am. If you will see, I'm just going to switch on that mode. I have just now I have showed you how you can control that setting and all that, like in the Microsoft MS Teams, or if you will take the example of Zoom. So there I have just shown you how you can share your screen, how you can control all the things which is nowadays taking place. So here is the place. You were asking ki how you can control the student activity on your PPT. So who can
yes.
view? Who can view? So here you can just give your reaction ki okay, I'm going to select anyone with link. I have just selected this one. Now the second is commentable. Suppose you are going to log this one, nobody is going to comment on your presentation. Okay.
Okay,
If
ma'am.
you are going to just cross this one, that means nobody can copy this item. In the MS Teams, we are doing setting. I think you people are using MS Teams for virtual class.
I'm using MS Teams. I'm using MS
Yes.
Teams.
So in the MS Teams also we are using a setting option, na? Anyone, only me, all the people
Yes,
from
ma'am.
my organization. So in the same manner you can do here also.
Okay, ma'am. And ma'am, is there any facility of poll or anything in Buncee? Like polling?
Ma'am, no, ma'am. In Buncee, there is no polling option. Only I think in the Zoom paid one, we have the polling option. But I have seen one or two like Nearpod. You can, if you are using the presentation tool in the Nearpod में आपको polling option मिलता है. Because they are, you are going to create the questionnaire and all that, na? That is why.
मैम आपके एक्सपीरियंस से नियरपॉड ज्यादा अच्छा है या फिर बंसी ज्यादा अच्छा है? मतलब अभी बंसी मैंने यूज नहीं किया है आज तक, बट नियरपॉड यूज किया है.
Right question, ma'am. Suppose in this Buncee now, what makes Buncee good tool for the educator? If I will take the example of primary wing, like 1 to KG to 5th standard student, they are more attracted towards your animation. उनको attracted that animation, picture and colorful things they are more. But in the Nearpod, you have to just search the things, and if you want to do the collaborative activity, because now the 21st century skills need all the collaborative activities. Na? So for that, I feel that Nearpod is good. But for the presentation, Buncee and Nearpod both are good. It's up to you which tool you are going to use.
Okay, thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you.
Nidhi ma'am, may I ask you which subject you are taking?
Ma'am, I take science for 8th standard and biology for 9th standard.
Okay, that means कि you are the science teacher, right? So
Yes,
for
ma'am.
the science teacher, no doubt you will feel कि Nearport is good because there is so many stimulation and all that are there. That is why you feel कि Nearport is good, right?
Yes, ma'am. Okay.
Because it depends on your
Namaste,
subject
ma'am.
also. Yes, sir.
Yes.
Namaste, ma'am. In this PPT, add music, other music and other sound.
आपको सवाल ये
Hello,
आ रहा
ma'am.
है कि हम ये प्रेजेंटेशन में म्यूजिक्स और अपने रिकॉर्डिंग वॉइस डाल सकते हैं
Yes, sir. That I have showed you na in the toolbox.
Other,
देखो
other.
18
Oh.
toolbox जो है ना sir, if you will feel वो जो 18 toolbox मैंने अभी आप लोगों को दिखाया था आपके इसमें बंसी में, that near उस toolbox में vast range is there. You can use that video वाला जैसा आप बोल रहे हैं, you are the English teacher, so I think you are asking for the ASL क्योंकि वहाँ पे assessment of listening and speaking skill में आप you are going to take that one for the listening skill, right? You want to upload your video there. Am I right, sir?
yes, yes, मतलब
नहीं,
audio,
no, ma'am.
Yes.
audio और
So you
input
can
कर सकते हैं क्या?
upload your video, sir. You can upload your video
Audio,
there.
audio.
Itself.
म्यूजिक यानी संगीत जो है अपना
Music
वो ऐड
Okay.
कर सकते हैं क्या?
You want, yes, sir. That music also you can upload.
Which tools add this music?
Sir, that 18 tools
एक मिनट।
music option is there na. Record your video and record your audio option is available, sir. So from there you can upload
Record
it.
not
I will just
available
show
in
you
this.
that
Record.
प्रदीप सर, जेव्हा आपण याला क्लिक करतो ना शब्दाला, तेव्हा खाली डिलीट लिंक आणि ऑडिओ असं एक ऑप्शन आहे. त्या ऑडिओवर जर आपण क्लिक केलं ना तर तिथं रेकॉर्ड, अपलोड आणि माय ऑडिओ असे ऑप्शन येतात. तिथं आपण आपला रेकॉर्ड ऑडिओ आपण रेकॉर्ड करू शकतो, अपलोड पण करू शकतो. खाली ऑप्शन आहे.
थँक्यू सर.
प्रकाश सरांनी ती शंका सोडवली. ओके मैम, हमारे प्रकाश चौहान सर टेक्नोलॉजी के मास्टर है, उन्होंने वो क्वेरीज जो थी वो सॉल्व कर दी. ओके, क्वेरी थी तो ठीक आहे. मी इतरांना विनंती करेल की आपल्यामध्ये कोणाला काही शंका असतील, आई रिक्वेस्ट ऑल ऑफ यू, इफ यू हैव एनी डाउट्स प्लीज आस्क टू पवन मैम. और आप चैट बॉक्स में भी डाल सकते हैं. अगर साउंड का कोई इशू हो तो आप चैट बॉक्स में भी सवाल डाल दीजिए, कोई इशू नहीं आएगा.
Educators, please remember whenever you feel ki okay, this is the ICT tool and how I can use this ICT tool, you can just text me. You can drop your mail to my mailbox. Definitely I will reply you and help you out if I know on that area. And I'm happy to share my experience with you all anytime regarding the CBSE activity, how we can do this art integration and all that. Anytime, if you feel, you can just contact Pradeep sir, and I'm happy to share with you all.
थैंक्स मैम, इज इट ग्रेट मोमेंट टू अस बिकॉज आपने बहुत अच्छी तरह से हमें, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल मुझे तो वो बंसी ऐप का प्रोनाउंसिएशन भी मैं गलत कर रहा था क्योंकि यस नहीं ये फर्स्ट प्लेटफॉर्म था हमारे लिए जो आपने हमें इतनी अच्छी तरह से बताया है. सो मेरे ख्याल से योगेश सोनोने सर की अभी भी इंटरनेट इशू आ रहा है तो वो कांटेक्ट नहीं कर पा रहा है, तो उन्होंने मुझे मैसेज कर दिया है कि वे को कैरी ऑन. सो अगर आप में से किसी को कोई सवाल है तो आप अपने चैट बॉक्स में डाल दीजिए, और नहीं तो मैम से डायरेक्टली भी आप अनम्यूट कर सकते हैं अपना माइक. अदरवाइज वी विल गो इन वोट ऑफ थैंक्स. ठीक है.
Shall I put my mail ID here, sir, in the chat box?
Yes,
do you
ma'am.
want?
Yes, sure. Please share it with us. Okay. एक्चुअली मैम मैं आपसे रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा कि इस सेशन का आप कंक्लूड करेंगे तो आपने जो आपका जो एक्सपीरियंस है एक 5 मिनट में अगर कुछ शेयर करेंगे तो बहुत अच्छा होगा. उसके बाद हम अपने आखिरी सेशन में जाएंगे वोट ऑफ थैंक्स और कंक्लूड लाइंस में.
Okay, sure, sir. Yes. So what we have learned in today's session, and if I will take the first stage, how we have gone through this Bansi and all that. So the first stage is how you are going to open this Buncee. So Buncee is the platform where you can create your presentation, and this is the browser-based application which is going to help you to make your content in the effective manner. I have just shown you how you can log in with this Buncee. So this is the URL for the Buncee app. Then you can just go to with the sign up button. Here you are going to start with get started for free. You have to just click on this get started for free. Then if you have your Gmail account, your Microsoft account, or if you have created already your Buncee account, you can log in with it. So I always prefer continue with Google account because it is easy for me. And I think for you people also, if you will log in with your Gmail account, it is going to help you out. Now, here it is going to ask you, are you educator or educational profession? So you are going to just click on these two buttons. If the student is going to log in, so they will click on the student. And if you are the teacher, you have to just select the second option, education professional. Now, I have just shown you how you can create this Buncee. So there is the plus sign. The moment you will click on this plus sign, you will land on the next step. After that, you can use already made template here, or you can go for your own scratch moment. Suppose something is in your mind and now you want to just create or show your creativity. So don't go for the any template, just start with scratch. So I have just shown you this one also. After that, you can see on my screen, these are the button where you are going to just select the background or add your images. Then I have just shown you how you can select the background from Buncee toolbox. This is the beauty of this Buncee. These 18 tools are very much activated. Once you will create your ID on Buncee, you will feel all these 18 tools are activated on your mailbox. Now, like this way, you can just create your Buncee tool. You can add the QR code, you can add picture, you can do the drawing in your Buncee tool. And you can make your presentation in the effective manner. After that, I have shown you how you can share your file. So here I have just added ICT tool because I have given my file name ICT tool. Then these are the ways. It's up to you how you are going to share this PPT or your lesson plan with your colleague or with your students. Now, there is the provision to download your PDF presentation also in the PDF format. Like you have created whole file. After that, you feel that this presentation should be downloaded in my laptop. So you can download this Buncee PDF also. You can download in the PNG format. This is all about Buncee. And one more thing, educator, nowadays all the school principal are asking for the what we can say for the PD certificate, what you have done with for your personality development in this pandemic. So we are just keep on asking for the certificate, we are asking for the batches and all that. So this is a good tool. If more you will use Buncee tool, you will get the batches that is going to add in your PD profile. So everyone is asking for the portfolio. In the same manner, as a teacher, as an educator, we also should create our portfolio with a different tool, with the different subject tools ID with the certificate. So more you will use this Buncee, definitely you will get the batches.
We can create.
Yes.
Continue, ma'am. Continue.
Ma'am, we can create certificate also.
Yes,
Actually,
beta, you can create certificate also, and the same time, if you feel for next time, whenever you will give me the next chance, definitely I will show you how you can create certificate also. And
Yes, ma'am.
this certificate, definitely educators, this is the good time for us to do something for ourselves also. Otherwise, I know, no, I have no doubt you all are master in your subject. No doubt, you all, you knows very well. uh, I am only the ICT instructor, but you know very well, better than me, ki how you are going to use this tool in your subject, right? So whenever you would like to discuss with me for the art integration or CBSE circulars, anything, you can just text me, you can contact Pradeep sir, whenever you feel, keep, and anytime you are totally free to contact me ki Pawan ma'am, please help us for this subject or for this topic. I'm so happy for helping you people.
Thanks, ma'am.
Thank you so much, Vaibhav sir. This is all about Bansi.
Yogesh, lot of thanks, ma'am. Our HOD Yogesh Sononi Sahib also connect with us. Yogesh Sononi sir, can you hear us? हॅलो हॅलो सोनल साहेब, आवाज येतोय आपल्याला? ओके, सोनल सर कांट हियर. ठीक है मैम.
Pawan ji. Hello.
Yes
Am I
sir.
audible?
सोनल सर.
Yes, Pawan ji, very nice information you have given on this platform regarding Bansi. I too learned a lot about Bansi because I didn't know very much about it. So many educators had asked me, why don't you try Bansi? But I didn't try out it. Now I am going to try out it. And thanks for the very explanating session.
Thank you so much, Pradeep sir. I am so very grateful to you. You just give me chance for this such a wonderful educator to meet, because just because of you, I can meet these people. Thank you so much. I'm very grateful to you.
No, no.
And thank you so much,
Yes,
Pawan ma'am.
you can
Actually, we are going.
meet. You could meet with these people because of me, but the chance has been given by our ICT team, Mr. Yogesh Sonone, who is the senior lecturer in Diet, and Vaibhav sir and Urmila ma'am, who are working with them.
Okay, thank you so much, Urmila ma'am.
Okay, now we are going on to the vote of thanks. मैं vote of thanks की तरफ जा रहा हूँ. Yes sir, आपका, हाँ सर, आवाज आ रही है आपकी. हाँ सर, आपला आवाज येतोय. हॅलो.
आता काय सुरू आहे? वोट ऑफ थँक्स चालू आहे का?
नाही, वोट ऑफ थँक्स कडे वळत होतो. आपण आपला कॅमेरा जर बंद केला तर आम्हाला आवाज येईल साहेब. इंटरनेट आपला आवाज हे होतोय.
हॅलो.
हा बोला साहेब, येतोय आवाज.
हो, येतोय.
बरं ठीक आहे, वोट ऑफ थँक्स करून घेऊ का मग मी?
नाही, आपण काही कन्क्लूड लाईन
करा.
बरं, आपण वेलकम केलं मॅडमचं. हे दाखवलं, पोस्टर दाखवलं?
नाही,
मग आपलं
हे झालं.
नाही, पण आपण हे प्रमाणपत्र आपण हे बाकी ना का ते पण झालं?
नाही, ते राहिलंय.
हो, बाकी.
आता करून घेऊन मात्र कसं माझं परत 1 मिनिटात परत येऊ शकतं. प्लीज ते कर ना प्रमाणपत्र. आपण प्रमाणपत्र आपण गौरवपत्र देण्याचा कार्यक्रम करून घेऊ 1 मिनिटात. नमस्ते पवन मॅम, माय सेल्फ योगेश सोनोने. बट yes, I'm very sorry, and I apologize that I couldn't be with you throughout this session.
No issue sir, no issue.
हम अपनी पूरी आईसीटी टीम से आपको मैम, आपको रियली अप्रिशिएट करते हैं कि जो आपने आज हमें इतना अच्छी तरह से टाइम दिया है. हमें बनसे ऐप के बारे में बहुत सारी जानकारी दी. इसलिए ऑल ऑफ द टीम, फ्रॉम द ऑल ऑफ द टीम, मैं आपका रियली बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया अदा करता हूँ कि आपने हमें इतनी अच्छी जानकारी दी है. हम उम्मीद करते हैं कि आगे भी आप हमसे जुड़े रहेंगे, जिससे हमें जो मतलब आप जो अच्छे प्लेटफॉर्म्स होंगे हमें बेहतर तरीके से बताएंगे. इस उम्मीद के साथ मैं एक शब्दों के द्वारा ही आपको ये समर्पित करता हूँ, आप इसका स्वीकार करिए।
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you so much, Pawan ma'am. Thank you so much for solving our doubts and queries.
Thank you so
And
much.
definitely we'll start using this Bunsey app, and I'll recently I'm teaching the chapter natural resources, so I will make my the presentation on Bunsey app. So then I'll share my experience with you, definitely.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Pradeep sir, I request to you to give the vote of thanks from all of us.
Okay,
Pradeep
सर, ओके सर, ओके। पवन जी, आप हमारे इस आईसीटी के इनिशिएटिव में एक कॉल पर आ गए, उसके लिए आईसीटी की पूरी टीम, आईसीटी के जो प्राचार्य है, हमारे डाइट के जो प्राचार्य सावंत साहब, सीनियर लेक्चरर योगेश जी, उसके बाद उनके साथ में काम करने वाले वैभव जी, उर्मिला मैम, और इस आईसीटी ग्रुप में शामिल सब आईसीटी टीचर हु आर वर्किंग देयर बेस्ट to inculcate the digital tools of 21st century. So उनके तरफ से आपको बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद देता हूँ। आपने बहुत अच्छी जानकारी बंसी के बारे में हम सबको दी है, इसलिए ये इस प्लेटफॉर्म से आपको मनपूर्वक धन्यवाद देता हूँ मैं।
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much, Pradeep sir. And I just put one word from my side. Vaibhav sir, am I?
Yes, sure, ma'am. Carry on.
Yes.
Thank you so much. I am just feeling privileged to join you people because Pradeep sir is one of the good mentor for me also. I feel ki he is the really marvelous person, and definitely you all are lucky one कि प्रदीप सर वहाँ पे है. I must say this one because प्रदीप sir is very active whenever I need his help कि प्रदीप sir how you did this one, so he always guiding me, and thank you so much sir to giving me this opportunity. I can't express my feeling for today's session in words, but thank you so much. I will look forward to next meeting also.
Pleasure is mine.
I will really wait for my next meeting with you people, definitely. And you all are invited. Bhopal is a very good city. You all are welcome.
Yes, ma'am.
हम
I'm from Indore. So
oh, great.
So it's my hometown also. I'm from Indore. So
great,
sure, मैम। पूरे आईसीटी की टीम आपके भोपाल में जरूर आएगी, क्योंकि भोपाल में बहुत सारे प्रोग्राम्स रहते हैं ट्रेनिंग के, तो हम जरूर वहाँ पे आएंगे इस उम्मीद के साथ। सभी और ऑनरेबल पर्संस के परमिशन से मैं ये मीटिंग एंड की तरफ लेके जाता हूँ। सभी पार्टिसिपेंट्स, सभी सहभागियों का भी मैं आभार मानता हूँ। प्रदीप सर, आपका भी लॉट ऑफ थैंक्स टू, आपने पवन मैम जैसे रिसोर्स पर्सन को इस स्टेज पे बुलाया। So I thanks to all persons, and with all your permissions, I end this meeting.
धन्यवाद सर।
Thank you so much, Pradeep sir. Because of you, we got to learn something new.